Okay, last one, number 45. So this one is pretty hard to understand until you plot the function. So it says the line y equals mx plus b is tangent to the graph f of x equals negative 2x minus 2 squared plus 2 at a point in the first quadrant. What are all the possible values of b where b is greater than or equal to 2? Okay, so if we plot it, if we don't plot it, this is really hard to understand. But the point is there's a tangent line to this graph. B is greater than or equal to 2, which means the y-intercept is greater than or equal to 2. So the only real options are like from here, because at this point the tangent line would hit 2, and something from here onward, because this one would be higher and like things like this, right? So my range of values of b are going to be between 2 and whatever the point here, whatever this line intercepts the y-axis at. So this line is going to be here, right? It's in the first quadrant, so you know that this is the last point there, and that is actually at x equals 3 when I plot that in my graphing calculator. So all I have to do is notice that this is going to be my lowest range, so b is definitely going to be greater than or equal to 2. We already know that. But the maximum value is going to be corresponding to this line here. So I just have to figure out what that line is. Well, I know at that point x equals 3 and y equals 0, so I just have to find the slope. In order to find the slope, I just find f prime of x, which equals negative 4x minus 2 to the 1, and the derivative inside is just 1, so this becomes negative 4x plus 8. Well, at x equals 3, the slope is negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 plus 8 equals negative 4. So that's my slope. So I end up with y minus y1, which is 0, equals the slope, which is negative 4, times x minus x1, which is 3. So y equals negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. So this b value, the top b value would be 12. So b is going to be between 2 and 12. And so I end up with b's in between 2 and 12, which is my answer C. And that is the final one that I'm going to do here on these videos. I really hope you got something out of this. I hope this really helped you out. And God bless you, all of you. Bye. See you in class tomorrow.